Let's go. I can't even get started. I have to get my favourite side, my left side. Okay, let's go. Cool. There's a big drop here. Oh no, it's not too big. And we're into the ditch already. Didn't make it. Walk mode. No, didn't make it. Rightio. Let's go. Right, this is how we get out of the hole. Riding. Oh. Well, that feels good to be moving. Oh, there's big rocks everywhere. That's all a bit much. Style. Right, keep pedaling. Keep going. Oh, these fire tracks. That's it. Right, bit of dirt. Keep going. Right, where are we? That side? Alright. I can't go on that side. Right, back down to 2. Okay, concentrating. Okay, go down this line, follow Stephen's line. Bye bye.